I heard of a river flowing from heaven, and all who are thirsty would thirst no more. I wonder if I can drink of this fountain, the least of 10,000 I come. Here at the waterfall I stand in awe, under the rock where mercy reigns. Here at the waterfall beneath the cross, under the rock where mercy reigns. I heard of a river out of the mountain where healing and pardon are pouring out.
Hey, my name's RebeccaDell. I'd love it if you liked, subscribed, and continued to support my work. Thanks for watching.